This is not a render, and it's not just another rumor. This is a real-world leak of an actual Galaxy S26 Ultra part, and it just revealed some surprisingly important details. And there's one feature here that genuinely caught me off guard in the best possible way. Let's talk about it. What's up, guys? We've just seen a leaked SIM card tray from the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and if you understand how phone leaks work, you know this kind of detail actually matters. SIM trays are designed to match the phone's chassis, which makes them one of the most reliable indicators of final color options. According to this leak, the S26 Ultra is launching in black, white, blue, and purple, and thankfully, there's no orange Ultra this year. Samsung has been using orange wallpapers in their official S26 teasers, but that almost certainly belongs to the regular S26 or the S26 Plus, not the Ultra. Based on these tray colors, this is roughly how the S26 Ultra should look. These are not official renders, just mock-ups created from the leaked colors. And it's worth noting that violet appears to be the hero color this year, meaning that's the one Samsung will push hardest in ads and marketing. But here's where things start to get interesting and, honestly, a bit concerning. If you look closely at the leaked parts, the frame color matches the body color on every single variant. That's a major change. On the S25 Ultra and even the S24 Ultra, every model had that silver or titanium-colored frame regardless of which color you chose. So this raises a serious question. Did Samsung just drop titanium? Titanium is extremely difficult to color consistently, and here's the detail that makes this even more suspicious. None of the leaked color names include the word titanium. That lines up perfectly with earlier reports. While we don't have official confirmation yet, everything so far points towards Samsung ditching titanium, which would be one of the biggest design shifts the Ultra series has seen in years. And it gets even better because you don't even have to manually enable it. Galaxy AI can control the privacy display automatically. If someone walks past you or glances towards your phone, the screen can instantly hide its contents on its own. No toggles, no menus, no effort. This is exactly how AI should be implemented: quiet, intelligent, and invisible. Speaking of AI, there's another upcoming feature in the S26 lineup that actually feels practical. When you add an event to your calendar, your phone can automatically inform other apps that you're busy. So if you schedule a meeting at 4 p.m. and later someone messages you on WhatsApp, Instagram, or SMS asking if you're free, your phone can nudge you and remind you that you already have something scheduled. Samsung is calling this feature Now Nudge, and it's essentially their take on Google's Magic Queue. It's not limited to calendars either. It's designed to understand context across your entire phone and give subtle, helpful prompts without you ever asking. If Samsung executes this properly, this is the kind of AI people actually want. Finally, Ahmed also mentions that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will offer a 16GB RAM option for the 1TB storage variant. Realistically, though, this will likely be region-limited, just like the S25 Ultra. Most markets are still expected to get 12GB of RAM even on the top-tier model. And that's not even everything. I've got 5 more Galaxy S26 Ultra updates coming, including one that could make it the fastest phone in the world. Click right here, and I'll see you in the next one.